Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got a nice milk recipe for you, Haldi Doodh, which is milk with turmeric powder and a bit of pistachio and almonds. Excellent drink it is, many health benefits to it, also known as the golden milk, and rightly so, with all the health benefits to it. Please stay with me guys and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, for this drink you're going to need 1 cup of milk. Bismillah. Okay guys, I'm going to put this on a full heat and I'm going to add 3 cardamom seeds in it. I've got green cardamoms, I took the seeds out of them. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. When you put the haldi powder in, just give it a bit of a stir. 1 teaspoon of sugar or sugar to taste. Just keep an eye on it guys, but it's a beautiful drink. And you can see it coming up and I'm just going to turn it down and it comes up. And let it go back down. And then let it simmer away on low heat. Beautiful drink it is. Many health benefits to it. Turmeric powder used in the ancient times for cures, for fungal infection, antibacterial properties it's got in it as well. Great for memory they think as well, I was reading up on it. It helps you sleep well as well. Have a cup before going to sleep and you'll notice the difference in a few days. Okay guys, that's it, it's done. Takes a few minutes, well worth it, well worth making this drink and having a go. Please do have a go guys. And that's it, it's done. So easy to do guys, takes a few minutes virtually. Okay guys, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of almonds and pistachios mixed, ground down. You can add more or less, it's up to yourselves. You can add more cardamoms as well if you want. A bit more turmeric powder, it's up to yourselves. But it's a wonderful drink. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.